Pelsall had the first attempt on goal in the match. This free kick causing a bit of chaos at the back for Wolves. Fortunately for Wolves, the final shot came off a defender and went out for a corner. And it was Wolves' hesitancy at the back that allowed Pelsall the opportunity to score the first goal of the game after 6 minutes. Wolves' defence eventually settled, and this pass to Tammy allowed her to take the ball quite a way up the pitch and give Courtney a chance on goal. However, the first half is perhaps characterised by this passage of play, where Pelsall, as you see, have a corner, which is nullified by Wolves. Wolves then attack, but then that's nullified by Pelsall. Towards the end of the first half, Wolves started to grow in confidence, and we can see an example of this in this move started by Naya and then eventually finished off a great cross from her, which caused panic in the Pelsall defence. From the resulting corner, Grace was unlucky not to put this ball in the back of the net. Wolves ended the first half in a positive way, and they started the next one equally positive. And this first move, this team move down the pitch, involving quite a few of the Wolves players, unfortunately did not end up with a goal. But what a move! In the early part of the second half, Wolves kept Pelsall pretty much pinned back, as demonstrated in this clip, Tammy being unlucky not to get on the score sheet.
One of you's got to come to her!
And Wolves' early dominance also meant that any unforced errors were pounced upon. But to their credit, Pelsall never gave up. But neither did Wolves' defence. And here we see Ellie and Lauren combining well to keep Pelsall from scoring again.
Megan!
However, it was with 15 minutes to go that Eden's twists and turns and Courtney's uncatchable run that led to Chloe scoring her first of the game and Wolves' first goal of the game. Down but far from out, Pelsall kept pushing forward to try and restore their lead. But it is Wolves who ended the half as they started it, once again built around a driving run by Tanner.
To her!
Come on, Pelsall, where have you gone? Shoot! No! Take your time!
How do you think it went today?
It wasn't brilliant today, it wasn't our best performance, but the girls turned it on second half and got what they needed to. They knew they only needed a draw and there was a lot of pressure on them, but they pulled it out at the last minute and we could have won it at the end as well.
Yeah, you did get a few off the bar into the keeper.
Yes, it was a couple of those, a couple of shots from distance right down the keeper's throat, a couple in the corners, and then she made a couple of good saves as well at the end as well. So we were happy with the draw. That was what we needed. So league champions. So we're happy with that.
Josh, anything you want to add to that?
No, nothing more really. All I do is agree with Andy. I think it was hard work today, but I think these occasions are always hard work. When you're playing for the league on the big pitch with quite a lot of people here, it's always going to be difficult. But credit to the girls, they came through in the end with a draw and won the league. So
yeah, Pelsall would. Sorry to interrupt you there. Pelsall were definitely up for a game today, weren't they?
Yeah, definitely. I think sometimes when teams win playoffs, it's a cup final for them, and fair play to them. They played really well, and they fought to the end, and they were probably unlucky not to win, but lucky for us. We got the point, and again, it's credit to our girls that stuck at it, and they always do. So.
Okay, if we come to the skipper next, anything you'd like to add?
No, just thought that we made it hard for ourselves, but at least we got the point in the end to win.
Played well, but we could have made it easier and more attacking, but played well to be fair.
Brilliant. Thank you, everybody.